And let's take a look at Ina. This is Edelmeitner. And maybe listen to her dialogue a little bit. You wanna hear her voice? We haven't heard her in a while, so let's listen.
Wow. Good morning, afternoon, evening. Hi. How's everyone doing today? Alive? It's taco time.
Taco time.
My name is Ninomae Ina'nis, and of course, 100% human. Been a good Takodachi while I was gone.
Ah, yes, of course. Everyone has been a good Takodachi. I think so.
Ina, boing boing.
Doko?
Oh, too many crumbled houses around here. Hope they get fixed soon. Just like my life.
What? What? That's so sad.
Worried about where I sleep? You're so sweet, but don't worry. I can sleep almost anywhere.
Yes, you can. Floor is best bed. Floor gang, what's up?
Enough of my own.
Cute! But yeah, see, you can hear some more Ina. If you're missing Ina, then get the game, download the game, and get yourself an Ina skin, and then listen to all of Ina's voice lines. Well, we don't know when she will be back.